On your mark, set, go! First, we have Tati Lamar. Second, we have Sasam. Pat and third will be Julia. Note of that. Another game. Thank you so much. That is answered. Okay, here for a while. Okay, sit down with your bag.